Here we are on the Carnival Horizon. This is the Havana area. This is an aft balcony stateroom. 7454 room tour. Let's go. As we enter the room, to your right, you will notice 3 closet doors. One includes complimentary robes, complimentary slippers, plenty of hangers, adjustable shelf. You can drop that down if you want, hang more stuff below. Closet number 3, you have 2 shelves, a safe with very easy to follow instructions, your laundry bags, 3 drawers for storage. Moving onward, here is the desk with the lighted vanity, which is very nice. You'll see all this stuff on the desk here. We did order the Pepsi Max and water delivered to our room ahead of time. You can do that through the Carnival website. We like to do that even though we do get the drink package, because at the end of the day, sometimes you forget to get drinks. You have 3 nice size shelves, 2 USB ports, 2 US standard ports, and 1 international port. I do suggest you get the adapter from Amazon for that, and you can turn that into a multiple USB and US standard outlet just with one little $12 adapter. It's a very, very good thing to have on any cruise ship. Keep in mind, these things go all over the world. Now down here, you have your cooler. They call it cooler. It's a refrigerator. It doesn't get super cold like a standard refrigerator, but it'll keep your stuff cool. You have your drawer with the desk chair. Sorry. The Havana area features actual chairs. A lot of these will have stools on Carnival. Now there's your hair dryer, which is nice to have. Spinning over on this side, you have the couch, the table. Nice artwork. The artwork is very Cuban inspired. A very Havana Cuban inspired room as you look about. That is a king size bed featuring nightstands on both sides. Now keep in mind, this ship was built, I believe, between 2016 and 2018. USB ports were not a thing at the side of beds when these cruise ships were made. I'm sure when it gets its first retrofit, it will have USB ports at the side of the bed. Everybody wants that now. And again, you can add USB ports just simply by getting a European adapter. Across from the bed is a pretty good sized TV. I would say it's probably a 42-inch television, which is a good size for Carnival. We're going to go backtracking towards the front. I'm going to show you the placarding on the back of the door. This gives you all your emergency instructions. You should probably review this anytime you get in a hotel or on a cruise ship. Here's your power. In order to have power in the room, you need to leave a card in the slot, and our room attendant left that. And there's the power for the lights in the room. Lights on, lights off. Okay, and now the restroom, bathroom. Okay, you have a light switch for the restrooms on the cruise ships. It's always outside of the room. You can play pranks on your wife or husband or whoever's wife or husband you're with. But here's your standard Carnival bathroom. You have 3 shelves on each side. You will notice if you're a Carnival regular, the color scheme's a little different because it is made to match the Havana layout. This is our first time in the Havana room, guys. Now you look, you have your conditioning shampoo and you have your bath and shower gel complimentary. Some people don't like the Carnival bath gel. I'm fine with it. Here are your controls next to the restroom for your room, your heating and cooling controls. The walls are magnetic, they're steel. So you can use magnetic hooks, which we always recommend. We have a list of 10 things you should always take on a cruise. Make sure you check that out on our website, on our YouTube channel, and our TikTok account. We have that listed on there. Again, moving forward. Now this layout, this bed layout can be made into 2 singles, 2 twins. So that's what the room looks like this way. We're going to go out to the balcony. As you can see, this is what makes this room special. This is an aft extended balcony. So we're at the back of the cruise ship. That area down there is the Havana area, which is exclusive to Havana guests. You have to have one of these wristbands on. It says Havana right there. To get in the Havana area downstairs. And it's really cool because there's a bar outside. You have a couple hot tubs. There's 2, I think maybe 4 hot tubs. I know there's 2 for sure. There's a pool. The pool is open to midnight. You have a full chase lounge. And if you look, the This is much deeper than a standard balcony on a cruise ship. We were offered an upgrade for $400 a few days ago to go from an interior room to this. So we got a really killer deal. We're really happy with our decision. And there is Miami, folks. Get ready for sail away. The Conquest is behind us. If you haven't ever been on a cruise, we highly recommend it. And again, this is the Havana area, extended balcony, aft balcony. Talk to you soon.